Hello and welcome to BizVid Tech Tuesday. Over the past few months, the dependency on the video calling application increase and trend momentum shoots up for the personal as well as professional approaches. So today you are going to know all about the latest tweaks in the market about the Google Duo and Google Meet. As we all know, Google Duo is a video messaging app from Google, and in the 4 years since its launch, it has become a popular video calling app. News report claim that the search engine giant want to replace Duo with Meet. Let's get deeper into it, but first, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post business news, stock market updates, tech market and financial news daily. Here are some Google Duo specs that were introduced in 2016 and updated later onwards to substitute Hangout as a modern mobile communication tool. Google Duo lets users make high-definition video calls. It is optimized for the network with low bandwidth where default end-to-end encryption is enabled. The Duo is based on the phone numbers, which enables users to dial directly from their contact list. Also, the app has functionality to switch automatically between cellular and Wi-Fi network. A knock-knock feature allowed users to see the caller's live preview before answering the call. In addition, Google Meet is also integrated with Google Calendar for one-click meeting calls. Moving further, updates in April 2017, the user worldwide make audio-only calls with Google Meet. Nowadays, with almost everyone operating with home and doing everything from lectures to online meetings, Google needed to actively push to step up Google Meet to take on Zoom. Sure, this gets a little complicated depending on how picky you are about video conferencing solutions. Google Meet is a perfect option if you are just searching for simplicity of usage, a decent time limit, and the least friction possible when it comes to getting a meeting off the ground. Google started offering Meet's advanced feature in March 2020 that previously required an enterprise account for everyone using G Suite or G Suite for Education until September 2020, as well as providing the first-time access to the service or personal Google account. Google Meet uses proprietary protocols for transcoding video, audio, and data transcoding. Google has collaborated with Pexip to provide interoperability between Google Meet and SIP H323 based on conferencing equipment and software. For Google Meet is monetized as part of G Suite from day one, while Zoom its popularity shows regular users and fine with using an enterprise app to communicate personally. The key difference in 2020 is how the public now are familiar with creating a link and then send to others versus having a direct contact list. The organization has also become explicit about the importance of meeting by integrating it with Gmail. As per a report published in 9 to 5 Google, the current head of communication services at Google, Javier Solitero, does not see any purpose for both existing system, which is said to be defined internally as a combination of two services, condemned Duet, which is Duo plus Meet, which become Duet. The Duo team is shockingly surprised by this development. Also, it is reported by 9 to 5 Google the support for 32 members in a group video call on Google Duo is being pushed out in a phased manner from the server side, and therefore users are expected to receive the feature over the upcoming weeks. Before the replacement happens, the current plans to have several key Duo features for consumers brought over to Meet. Sources tell us that includes end-to-end encryption, contacting users for a video via phone number, and even 3D effects. The pace of Duo development is winding down with the introduction of group conversation to the Nest Hub Max last month. More broadly, the development of the app has slowed as compared to other video calling applications. For instance, this week Google provided a detailed timeline for coming Meet features. Some sources identify that the timeline for this process could take up to 2 years. Of course, development plans could change in the near future, but it's not happening in the near term. In the end, the current course sees the Google Duo app can be disappeared and Google Meet will be published to the users in its place. Google has reported a 30-fold rise in the average regular usage of Google Meet, including 3 billion minutes of virtual meeting and almost 3 million additional users monthly, with daily meetings participants cross around 100 million. In addition to this, Google Duo itself has become very popular among consumers, particularly because it's now used as a default video calling app by several Android OEMs. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing updates.